Science today is the technology of tomorrow. With this, a very warm good morning to the respected judges and my worthy competitors. This is Prayas from Kendra Vidyalaya Board, and today I am going to present my exhibit on mobile microscope. So, in this 21st century, you must be wondering about how can you use a microscope but not at a high price such as 12K or 10K. So, here is the solution. Yes, many of the science students or professors are in the search of a microscope which is cheap, easy to use, and not so complicated like the electron microscope or the other microscopes available nowadays. Yes, this is the microscope that is cheap, easy to use, easy to make, and also it need no type of dyes or stains. This is a mobile microscope. So, and the need of this project is to provide the students or the professors a tool through which they can understand and they can observe the minute thing that can be observed by the microscope only. So let us move on to the demonstration of this mobile microscope. First of all, you need two things, that is a phone and this mobile microscope stand. So here we have a board and some fiber glasses which we have fit with the help of the nails, with the help of the screws and drivers. And we have most importantly a lens in midst of the fiber glass. First we have to turn on our camera and we have to focus the camera in the we have to focus the camera with the lens so that we can get the enlarged image of the object we study in this glass. So we have a vast glass here, and now first we will test about the cumin seeds, or which we call zira. So we will insert it under the lens so that we can observe it. So here you can see that how enlarged the cumin seeds are under this mobile microscope, and now the turn of the sand or the soil which you see in your day-to-day life. So I have a pinch of sand over here which I would just scatter in the vase glass. Then I will insert it under the mobile microscope. So you can clearly observe the minute particles of sand under this mobile microscope. Next is the turn of a leaf. Now let us see how a leaf look like under a mobile microscope. So here I have a green leaf that I would put under the vase glass, and I hope you can clearly observe the stomatas. I hope you can clearly observe the stomatas and the pores in the leaves. Now the next turn is of a 5 rupees coin. You all must have seen the 5 rupees coin, but now take a look of the 5 rupees coin under this incredible microscope. So here you can take the magnified image of a 5 rupees coin. You can see how clear the detailings look appear in this mobile microscope. Also you can absorb the copper oxide that is collected in the old 5 rupees coin. The last but not the least is the sugar which you consume daily on a daily basis. We will absorb this sugar under the mobile microscope. So here we go. The particles of sugar look like some transparent gems under this mobile microscope. So, what do you think about? Is that this revolution in the field of microscopes? Is not this a handy and useful product for those who need a cheap, easy to make and easy to carry microscope, who need the microscope at their hands? Yes, this is the one. This is the one that the most of the children and profession need. That's all. Thank you very much.